Hi, I'm Jackson from Inglewood Coffee Roasters, and today we're going to show you how to brew coffee using a Moka Pot, also known as a Stovetop or a Bialetti. You'll need a stovetop, some cold water, about 10 grams of finely ground coffee. We use espresso coffee in our Moka Pots, more coarse than espresso, but not by much. First off, unscrew your Moka Pot, remove the filter, and fill the reserve up with cold water. Be careful not to fill it above the safety valve line, just here. Then get your filter and pour in 10 grams or thereabouts of coffee. Be careful not to tamp it, but make sure that it's smooth around all the edges and slightly compacted. Then replace the filter on the reserve and screw the top back on. Take your Moka Pot and put it on the smallest burner on your hot plate. Be careful to keep the handle away from the heat as not to melt it. Then open your lid and look for the extraction. Once the coffee starts to gurgle and hiss, remove it from the hot plate and serve immediately. Edith, would you like some espresso?
Yes. Thanks, mate.
No worries, mate.
Cheers.
Grazie.
It's delicious. Thanks for watching.
Did that burn your mouth?
Yes.
I didn't drink it.